Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use the free version of Monday.com, your complete 2025 guide. The first thing you want to do is sign up and create your account. It's as simple as entering your email, creating a password, and clicking on the confirmation link sent to your inbox. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for everything else you'll do on Monday.com. Now that we've done that, let's jump into setting up your first board. To do this, click New, located on the left side of your screen, then select Board. This is your workspace, where you will manage all your tasks, projects, and collaborations. Next up, let's customize your board. Click on the column title, select Column Type from the drop-down menu, and choose the type that best suits your needs. You can add as many columns as you need. The reason we do this is to keep your board organized and tailor it to your specific project requirements. Now, let's add some tasks. Click on the plus icon in your task column and start typing. You can assign these tasks to team members, set due dates, and track the progress. This helps us because it's a clear and concise way to manage your workflow and ensure everyone knows what they should be working on. Next, let's talk about communication. Monday.com allows you to comment directly on tasks. Just click on a task, and you'll see a comment box on the right-hand side. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you comment on a task, everyone tagged in that task gets a notification, keeping everyone in the loop. Lastly, to keep track of everything, use the My Week feature. It's located at the top of your screen and gives you an overview of your tasks for the week. Let me explain why this matters. It helps you prioritize your tasks and ensures you won't miss any deadlines. And there you have it. You're now well equipped to use Monday.com's free version. Remember, the key to mastering Monday.com is exploring and experimenting with its features. You'll be a productivity pro in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.